Lone Star College participates in the National Model United Nations New York. Over 5,000 college, university, and graduate school students from around the world participate every year. National Model UN New York is considered to be the most prestigious and most competitive level of Model United Nations. Lone Star College is one of the few community colleges accepted into the National Model United Nations New York.
Model United Nations, to me as a definition, is a mock conference of what happens with the real United Nations.
You come together with students from around the world. You conduct a lot of research prior to getting there, and then once you arrive at the Model United Nations, you put all your research to work.
We're like, as an international community, come up with one solution for different problems, and each country has to contribute different perspectives on that problem. And we came along together to solve that issue.
Model UN is UN. To me, it wasn't a model. I felt like I was part of the UN for those 4 or 5 days.
Model United Nations is an academic simulation of the United Nations that aims to educate participants about current events, topics in international relations, diplomacy, and the United Nations agenda. The participants role-play as diplomats representing a nation in a simulated session of the United Nations. Participants research a country, take on roles as diplomats, investigate international issues, debate, deliberate, consult, and then develop solutions to world problems.
It's a very competitive program, and each of us get graded in each committee. You have to have some certain set of skills in order to be successful in those, debate skills, communication skills, presentation, diplomacy, knowledge.
In terms of preparing, it was lots and lots of research in terms of knowing the country that we represented, being Ukraine. We had to know about Ukraine as a country, their political values, their culture, their society. We had to become Ukraine. Like, I was no longer from England, and I no longer lived in Houston. I was Ukraine.
When I learned about what the United Nations program even was, an opportunity to go to New York and learn a little bit about how the whole system worked, I decided to go ahead and apply.
Students should participate in Model UN because it promotes interest in international relations and related subjects, increases the capacity for students to engage in problem solving, fosters the development of leadership skills, improves students' public speaking abilities, teaches aspects of conflict resolution, research skills, and communication skills, and creates the opportunity to meet new people and make new friends. Participation in the Model UN can provide scholarship opportunities as well.
It's a rewarding experience for anybody. You don't have to have a particular interest in politics. Anybody could do it. It's rewarding for everybody, but you definitely need to be dedicated.
I think the type of person that should join the Model UN is the kind of person that has an interest in international studies, a person that has an interest in international conflict, and a person who would like to see the world become a better place.
The popularity of Model UN continues to grow, and today more than 400,000 middle school, high school, and college university students worldwide participate every year. Many of today's leaders in law, government, business, and the arts participated in Model UN during their academic careers.
The main thing that I took away was a sense of accomplishment, a sense of knowing that I'm a better person because of National Model United Nations. I'm a better person because I participated.
Who do I think should join? Everybody. I think that you should at least take an account to at least ask somebody about it and learn as much as you can about the United Nations. It is a mind-blowing experience.